Guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to multiply integers. Now first, let's say if we have 5 times 4. Now multiplication is basically repeat addition. So for example, 5 times 4 means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Add 5 4 times, or add 5 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 5 plus 5 is equal 10. 5 plus 5 is equal 10. 10 plus 10 is equal 20. Also here 4 plus 4 is equal 8. 4 plus 4 is equal 8. 8 plus 8 is equal 16. 16 plus 4 is equal 20. So the answer is 20. Now let's say if you have 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is equal 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 6 plus 6 is equal 12 plus 6 is equal 18. And here 3 plus 3 is equal 6, 3 plus 3 is equal 6, 3 plus 3 is equal 6, 6 plus 6 is equal 12, 12 plus 6 is equal 18. So the final answer is 18. Now another example, let's say if you have a negative number. For example, let's say if you have minus 6 times 5. Now first, we need to know, if we multiply negative number by negative number, we get a positive result. And if we multiply a positive times positive number, we get also a positive result. And if we multiply negative times positive, or positive times negative, we get a negative answer or negative number. So if you have a same signs, we get a positive number, and if we have a different signs, we get a negative number. If we have same signs, we get a positive number. So here we have minus 6 times 5. So we have here minus, and here we have 5. So we have different signs, so the answer will be negative. Now 6 times 5 means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 5 times. So 6 plus 6 is equal 12. 6 plus 6 is equal 12. 12 plus 12 is equal 24. 24 plus 6 is equal 30. So the final answer is minus 30. Now another example, let's say if you have positive 5 times negative 7. Now because we have a different signs, so the answer would be a negative. And 5 times 5 times 7 is equal 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 5 times. And 7 plus 7 is equal 14. 7 plus 7 also equal 14 plus 7. 14 plus 14 is equal 28 plus 7 is equal 35. So the final answer is 35. Another example, let's say if you have minus 9 times minus 3. Now first, here you have minus and we have same signs, so the answer would be a positive number. And 9 times 3 is equal 27. So the final answer is positive 27. Another example, let's say if you have three numbers, multiply three numbers, minus 4 times 2 times minus 5. Now first step, we multiply minus 4 by positive 2. So minus 4 times 2 is equal 8, and we have a different sign, or we have negative times positive, so the answer is negative. Now negative 8 times minus 5. First step, 8 times 5 is equal 40, and we have negative times negative is equal positive, so the final answer is 40. Now let's say if we have minus 3 times minus 4 times minus 5, so we have three negative numbers. Now first we multiply these two numbers. Minus 3 times minus 4 is equal positive 12. Positive 12 times minus 5. So first 12 times 5 is equal 60. And we have a different signs, so the final answer would be a negative. So the final answer is negative 60. Now let's say if we have a big number, so 38 times 7. First step, we write it vertically, so 38 times 7. Now 7 times 8 is equal 56, so we write 6 here and 5 here. 7 times 3 is equal 21, plus 5 is equal 26. So the final answer is 266.